The following method for calculating days of supply, in short DoS, is applicable to any spreadsheet, Excel, Google Sheets. However, in this video, we use the numbers spreadsheet from the Apple Office suite. We start with a table where we see the on-hand stock and the sales evolution over a 5-day period starting from the current day. We create a table that serves a dual goal. It allows us to see the stock evolution and supports us in calculating the DoS. We adjust the size, leaving the leftmost column to indicate the skew and 5 columns to the right for the stock evolution. To avoid manually typing, we link from the original table. Now we reach the main point where we will enter the formula. First step, we position ourselves on the second day to enter the formula. Second step, the first operand is the on-hand stock value. We must ensure the column is locked so it remains constant when we drag the formula. Third step, we enter the minus sign. Fourth step, we calculate the cumulative orders from the start to the day corresponding to the cell we are in this case from day 0 to day +1. For this, we use the sum formula. Fifth step, lock the starting column of the sum range, and the formula is ready to be dragged. Next, we propagate the formula by dragging to the right and left within the same row. Once the entire row has the formula, we drag down. We change the table name, and our auxiliary table, where the stock evolution is calculated, is ready. We move to the original table to add a column where the days of supply are shown. We position ourselves in the newly created column cell in the first product row. We use the COUNTIF formula. For the test array parameter, we select the entire row with the stock evolution of that first product shown in the bottom table. For the condition parameter, we write quotes greater than 0 quotes. We drag the formula down the entire column, and it's done. The purpose of this function is to count all cells with a value greater or equal 0 because the set of cells that meet this condition are the days with more than 0 units of stock on hand, and this is the number of days of supply. Now we finish. You can pause the video and check the days of supply calculation for every row. If you reach this point, you are really engaged with inventory management. I suggest download the app's Safety Stock Calculation for fast and accurate calculus without complex stats formulas. Now only available for iPhone on the Apple Store. You can see a demo on this channel. Voice has been generated by AI, and it is not a real person.